Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stream on Twitch. First of all, open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer, and in the URL section on the top, type down twitch.com and enter it after you're done. And after that, an official website of the Twitch, and in the top right corner, we could see this
So
profile
unlucky.
icon.
What
Select
does it
that
do?
option, and after here, go to the settings over
Go
here.
TP.
When you reach to the settings, what you have to do is select this channel and videos. Right over here, we could see click on the stream option and simply copy this primary stream key. And after that, go to the stream manager over here and tap on the guarded option. And after you reach here, what you have to do is go to the OBS studio over here and click on the start streaming option. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.